Welcome to Easy Microbiology.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss Bacillus cereus. This bacterium is widely distributed in the environment and can cause foodborne illness in humans. We are going to explore its habitat, characteristics, host range, virulence factors, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, epidemiology, and pathogenesis. So let's get started. B. Cereus is a type of bacteria commonly found in the environment and in certain types of food. Food poisoning can be caused by B. cereus, so it is essential to be aware of possible risks when handling, preparing, and consuming food. Even though B. cereus occurs naturally, we can take measures to lower the hazard it brings to food safety. Bacillus cereus is a rod-shaped, gram-positive microorganism found in a variety of environments, such as soil, water, and food sources. It thrives in temperatures from 10 to 45 degrees Celsius, utilizing the available carbohydrates for energy. Despite being closely related to Bacillus anthracis, the organism responsible for anthrax, it does not cause any harm to humans. Nonetheless, it can induce illnesses related to food due to the production of toxins under certain favorable conditions for growth. Gram-positive, rod-shaped Bacillus cereus is found in soil, water, and food, ranging in size from 1 to 1.5 microns in width to 3 to 5 microns in length. It can resist extreme temperatures, pH, and salt levels, and can produce spores that further enhance its durability. As a result, Bacillus cereus is a microorganism present in many environments. Bacillus cereus is a gram-positive bacteria that can be found in various habitats. Being a facultative anaerobe, it can survive both in the presence and absence of oxygen. When cultured on standard microbiological media like blood agar and McConkey agar, it produces colonies with a distinct ground glass appearance which makes it conveniently identifiable. Bacillus cereus is a foodborne pathogen that can cause illness. It is a facultative anaerobe, able to grow in the presence or absence of oxygen, and is catalase positive and oxidase negative. Furthermore, it produces a range of enzymes, such as proteases, lipases, and hemolysins, which can have serious implications for health if ingested. Bacillus cereus is a type of bacterium that has been linked to a wide range of illnesses in humans, most frequently those associated with foodborne illness. It is commonly found in inadequately cooked and stored dishes such as rice and pasta, making it a major cause of food-related illness in people. Bacillus cereus is a spore-forming bacterium associated with human diseases and infections. Its pathogenicity is attributed to a variety of virulence factors, such as heat-stable and heat-labile toxins, which can cause gastrointestinal symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Bacillus cereus is a bacterium that is generally susceptible to many antibiotics, including penicillin, tetracycline, and fluoroquinolones. However, some strains have developed a resistance to certain antibiotics such as erythromycin and clindamycin. This could have major implications for healthcare professionals, as they are constantly looking for ways to fight off this bacteria. Understanding its ability to develop resistance is an essential part of the puzzle. It is known that Bacillus cereus can cause foodborne illnesses in humans, which can stem from food that has not been cooked or stored properly. Additionally, those with weakened immune systems or medical devices may be more susceptible to infections from this bacteria. To reduce the chances of these illnesses, it is important to be aware of and adhere to proper food preparation and storage precautions. Bacillus cereus is an opportunistic pathogen widely distributed in the environment, particularly in soils. It is capable of causing two types of foodborne illnesses, an emetic syndrome with vomiting as the main symptom and a diarrheal syndrome featuring diarrhea as the main symptom. Both illnesses have their symptoms caused by the toxins produced by the bacterium. This pathogen significantly threatens human health, so food safety measures are essential. Bacillus cereus is capable of avoiding recognition by the host's immune system through the production of a variety of proteins. These range from enzymes to other proteins that help the organism withstand immunological reactions. Such reactions may be innate or adaptive, allowing Bacillus cereus to remain undetected by the immune system. Diagnosing an infection of Bacillus cereus requires taking into account both clinical symptoms and laboratory tests. Depending on the type of infection, blood and stool cultures can identify the bacterium. Should food be suspected as the source of the infection, culturing food samples can help verify the presence of Bacillus cereus. Bacillus cereus is a rod-shaped bacterium found in many different environments. It can cause foodborne illness if not properly cooked and stored, which means proper cooking and storage of food is essential to help protect yourself and others. Good hygiene practices during the preparation of food can help prevent the spread of this bacteria. Heat can kill Bacillus cereus, so thorough cooking and reheating of food prior to consumption is recommended. Bacillus cereus is an opportunistic pathogen that can cause a wide range of symptoms, from mild foodborne illnesses to life-threatening infections. Treatment of Bacillus cereus infection typically involves supportive care, such as fluid and electrolyte replacement for patients with diarrhea. Thus, it is generally recommended to use antibiotics judiciously and only as necessary. Reaching the end of this presentation, I thank you for your time and attention.